How to change App Store country to Canada. Hello guys, this is Atticus from Create Login and Delete, back with another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your App Store country to Canada. Now let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your App Store. After you open your App Store, tap on your profile on the top right and tap on your Apple ID. So after your account settings open up, you will see an option that says country/region. Tap on it. After you tap on it, you will get the disclaimer that says that you'll need to accept the new terms and conditions and a valid method of payment on the new country or region. So just tap on country or region and search for Canada. After you find Canada, select it, and here you can agree to the terms and conditions. So after you tap on agree, you'll have to add a valid method of payment, and after you do so, you'll also need to add billing address. And after you've done all that, you will have changed your country to Canada. So it's really that simple, guys. If there might be some more processes that you need to follow along after the adding payment method, but go through it and you'll have changed your country on your App Store to Canada. And that is basically it for the video, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. And if you did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. Bye bye.